Hey guys, Sean here from AutoLeather.com, and I am back today to talk to you about something that is very, very common and very normal within the leather industry. Now this refers to automotive leather, it refers to furniture leather, it refers to leather jackets. Anywhere where our body actually touches leather, the leather is actually going to absorb the oils from our body. Leather being a natural product, it is porous. Even though there are coatings and things that are applied over some leathers, the oils do penetrate those coatings and get down into the leather, which then create basically a dark spot. Like I said, very common on our consoles, where we set our arms, or maybe even on the steering wheel if you've got a light colored steering wheel. The steering wheel or lighter color leathers will take on a dark appearance when they have body oils present. So as far as if you want to recolor or restore or even just clean, when it comes to repair, removing those oils are a necessity. Just because those oils are basically an adhesion deterrent to the dye. When you put the dye on, it's not able to fully bond because of the oils that are present. So removing them is extremely important. Like I said, if you want to just get it clean, we have one product and one product that we really recommend only. We've tried a bunch of different degreasers, but this product from Leather Master Leather Degreaser, it's really a one-trick pony. It's not going to touch dirt, grime, and anything else, but as far as removing body oils from leather, it's absolutely amazing. This is an aerosol product. So when it's being used, we do recommend maybe a little mask, or at least have your windows open to be in a good, well ventilated area. But as far as using it, it's just like any other aerosol that you use. Just be careful when you're using it, just because it does atomize out into the air. But again, if you have body oils, you need this product. So now what I want to do, we've got a piece of leather here that we're going to flash to that I've sprayed earlier. Just because with this product you do have to spray it and let it set. So we're going to flash. Alright guys, so here we have two pieces of leather. Now unfortunately I don't have a recliner in house that's got a big head stain or anything that I have available. So what I wanted to do is just kind of show you what the product looks like once it's treated. Now here we have two identical pieces of leather. This one here is untreated. This one here is one that we sprayed earlier with the degreaser. So it has been here setting for quite a while. And as you can see, it dried to a dust. It turned white. And that is the exact purpose and what makes this product so great. The force of the aerosol can actually pushes it into the leather. And then as it dries, when it gets to this dust, at that point the dust will then absorb more than the leather will. So it starts to pull the oils into the surface, which makes them very easy for you to remove. Now after the 24-hour time period that we recommend as far as letting this product set, you've got a couple ways to remove this product. One, what we recommend and what's on the bottle is actually to take a vacuum. And as crazy as it sounds, you actually just vacuum the leather off. Now for us, we just use a ShopRite, nothing fancy. It's just a handheld tool on a ShopRite, and we take this, cut it on, and we will just basically vacuum that dust directly off of the leather. And the advantage to doing it that way as opposed to trying to take a liquid leather cleaner and remove it is with a liquid leather cleaner, where you have those oils still concentrated, you can actually open it up and push them back down and move them around. So so again, it's not liquid leather cleaners are not a great way to remove the initial treatment here. Now what we are going to do is once we vacuum it, hopefully we can vacuum this thing back down to where it looks like this type of leather, but chances are that's not going to happen. At that point, you then can take, and we do recommend Leather Master Soft Cleaner. You can use this product to remove any residue that may be left over just from after the vacuuming. But from there, you should be able to get it back down to what it looked like, and then make an evaluation as to whether you need to do another treatment or not. But again, just real easy to use product. Spray it on the leather. Like I said, it is an aerosol. Let it set. It'll turn white. If it's really heavily, if it's real heavily saturated and you're really into gross things, then wherever that saturation is will actually start to develop a yellowish appearance. And that's just an indication that it is working and you are getting some oils into the degreaser, allowing them to be removed. Alright guys, so what we've got here, this is where we vacuumed one half. So you can see what it looks like once we've done the vacuuming process. with this being a porous leather or an unprotected leather, no coating on the surface, that residue is really down in there. So really from here, all you need to do, we recommend Leather Master Soft Cleaner is what you should use just to clean the remaining residue away. I'm just going to show you here. Take a little of the cleaner, we'll put it on a sponge, foam it up a little bit, and then we can come in and start to clean the rest of the residue away. And you can see that leather starting to change right before your eyes back to what it looked like originally. Alright guys, so as you can see, the use of this product is extremely easy. You know, the cool thing about this is this product does all the work. It's just up to us to get it in the right areas and then allow it time to set to actually do the work. One thing I am going to throw out there, there are detailed instructions on the bottle, but one thing that's on the bottle is it says to, once you spray it, to let it set 2 hours. Through all the researching and testing that we've done, you know, up to about a 24-hour time period, this product is still removing oils. So if you've got a heavily saturated area, you know, when you spray this, make sure you just let it set 24 hours before you try to come in and remove it. Now I will also say that if it is a real heavily saturated area, you know, one treatment may not get it all out. You know, it may be multiple treatments, so after that 24-hour time period, you should notice a lightening to the leather, and then you may have to come back in and do another treatment and possibly even a third treatment to fully remove the, you know, all the oils from the leather. But again, when it comes to removing body oils, this is the product. So anyway, we appreciate you, man. Thanks for tuning in today. If you have any questions about the degreaser, whether it would work for you, how to use it, anything like that, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Sales@autoleatherdye.com is the email. We can be reached toll free on the phone at 1-833-AUTO-DYE. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Check us out, like us on Facebook, and if there's anything that we can do to help you out, don't hesitate. Just let us know. See you next time.